We followed them. The adults got up and ran. We stayed with the youngsters and we followed very gently behind. And it was amazing to watch the little things navigate, stopping, listening, moving, stopping, listening, and running. They obviously knew that something had been killed, and now here they've arrived with the rest of the adults. I can't tell what has died. It looks like a bushbuck to me. Or a nyala. Yeah, it's might even be an impala. Can't tell. We'll wait for its head to emerge. It's an impala. Now that thing has been devoured in less than 5 minutes. Unbelievable scenes here. I know it's very macabre. Let me just move up onto this little island here, Theo. I think it might be a little bit more helpful to you. That is a seriously macabre scene there of the alpha male fighting over the head of whatever it is. Yeah, an impala. Listen carefully, you can hear them panting. That's quite interesting to see this little tussle going on, because we see them as a, generally egalitarian society. Whereas here, there's a much more leonine fight going on over the food. Well, that's not particularly aggressive. Somebody saw something. The alpha's gone off with the head. He's taken the spoils. The pups are all now begging from the adults who've eaten, and they're fighting over the scraps of what's left. Oh, we got very lucky today. For them to have killed at this time of the day is very unusual. Here comes a hyena. Hyena's coming, belting in. They've caught the hyena. Let's just wait here. It's a young hyena too. And it's making much more noise than is necessary. Tawny eagle flowing in as well. Goodness gracious. Now that hyena is making that noise to discourage being attacked. It's not because it's in a lot of pain. It could easily have just turned around and run away, but it came back towards where it thought there was some food. Completely fearless. And also prepared to take a hit. It's prepared to get thumped in order to get some food. Yeah, the hyena's still around. It has given up now. I think it's gone off towards the right. But it was prepared to take a couple of bites to investigate to see what it could find. Hyena. That hyena is not scared. So we'll reposition and see what we can find. Or let's wait and see what he does. That's a young hyena too. I mean, that hyena can't be more than a year old. Some of our viewers will be able to identify it. And asking for more trouble. Here comes an adult now. It's Toothy. If Toothy gets a sight of this hyena. Ooh, here we go. hyena missed out. Here it comes. Oof, it's going to be in trouble if the adults see it. Here they come. One bite on the backside, then the dog knew that it was on its own. And if there's one thing a wild dog knows, it's to stay away from the business end of a hyena, because those jaws are lethal. And here it comes again. Hyena now coming out of that thicket. I think the rest of the adults have realized, adult dogs I mean, have realized that this is a young hyena and doesn't pose an enormous threat. All right, now we are going to move. We're going to go around the other side and hopefully get... Oh no, hang on. Here we go. This is unbelievable stuff. The hyena. Let's just see what happens here. Oh, he's got a little scrap. Well done. Well done, Mr. Hyena. No one's backing you in this particular fight, but you've got yourself a little bit of a meal there. That shows you the value of persistence. Clearly not enough, though. Want some more.